Hey, it's Todd with TLF Works. Thank you for stopping by. Today we're going to make a scroll saw project based on the logo for my channel. I designed the logo in Microsoft Publisher using the line drawing tools. I'll be cutting the logo out today using a piece of 1/8 inch plywood that I bought at Woodcraft. Blue painter's tape helps do a few things. It adds lubricant to the blade as the blade goes through the wood. That helps keep the blade cool and reduces burning on the wood. It also gives you a nice surface to apply an adhesive so you can place your pattern onto the piece, and then the painter's tape comes back off of the wood very easily at the end. Much easier than having to get the template off the wood if you were to apply to the wood directly. The manufacturer suggests that you apply the glue to both surfaces that you're going to be adhering. I didn't do that. I only put it on the blue painter's tape. I forgot to flip over the paper, but it worked out fine. I'll be using an Olson No. 3 reverse tooth blade today. I don't think blade selection was that important. It's mostly just straight lines and pretty simple project to cut out. Scroll sawing is a pretty slow process, so I have the speed set to 6x here on the video. So this is not real time. I'm flying through this pretty quick. The scroll saw leaves quite a few rough edges, and I'm not the best at the scroll saw, so over to the disc sander we go so I can straighten everything up and remove as many of those saw marks as possible. Can't reach into all the corners and everything with this tool, so I'm going to break out the file so I can get into all of the corners and get everything nice and square. After finishing up with the file, I'm going to go ahead and remove the template at this time. Remember, it's put on top of that blue tape, so it comes off really simple. Now over to the finishing table, where I'm going to use a little bit of sandpaper, get rid of any little curlies that are left on the edges of the project, and prepare the surface for some paint. So put a little paint on it and it's done. Now it just needs a home. What better home than the tailstock on my lathe? So that's the end of the project. Thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe. Please ring the bell for notifications. Have a great day, and we'll see you again real soon. Bye.